Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to add contact photo and poster on iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Contacts on your device. Then select a contact of which you want to add a photo or poster. Once you on that contact page, tap on Add or Edit Contact Photo. Now you will see this type of screen. Here you can perform many functions. For example, changing the font style and size, adding the background colors, changing the font colors. Here you can also add a background poster. You have different categories. You can add an emoji or create an avatar. You can also add a photo from gallery. Now what I will do, I will select a photo from my gallery as a background poster. You can also apply various color filters by swiping to the right side. Now you think that your font size or color is not looking good with this background, you can easily edit it. Once you are done, tap on Done at the top. Now this background poster has been saved to the contact name. Then tap on Continue. Here comes the contact photo. Crop and adjust it like you want. Here you also add filters to the photo. Once you are satisfied with your contact photo, tap on Done. Now when you go to your contacts and tap on this specific contact, you will see the contact photo and poster. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.